Hey there everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. Love the highlights. Look at the highlights.
My highlights?
No, there's a
Good on you.
The highlighting of this particular product.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're doing an unclipping.
An unclipping. Okay, sure, an unclipping. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, okay, I get you. What are we unclipping?
We're unclipping some PAMP, which are rare as hen's teeth in this country at the moment.
Yeah.
Some PAMP kilo bars, but these are platinum. They're not silver or anything like that.
Sweet.
So they are. We've had some requests for some bulk platinum lately.
Yep.
So we finally got in some
Oh,
Lady Fortunas
look.
in platinum. But as Joe said, it just looks like a silver bar.
It just looks like a silver bar, but when you turn it over, it says platinum on it. Can you landscape it for me? Thank you very much. There we go. PT. Platinum right there. Look at that. Fantastic. Certificated.
I'm never going to live that down.
You're
am I?
never going to live that down. Certificated. Beautiful. And that's... turn it back the other way, please. The portrait mode. Yes, thank you very much. Now, if we... I don't want to open one. Do you want to open one? Because I don't.
I've got no gloves.
Okay.
And this is one of those rare times where I actually wouldn't do it. But you can see it's got its... You can kind of see. So at the top you've got the PAMP.
Yep.
In the middle it says platinum kilo bar.
Yep.
And then underneath it's got its serial number, which will match what's on there.
Beautiful. And we have... How many did we get in? 5.
5.
Beautiful. And if you want to buy $250,000 worth of platinum, you can have the box for free.
You can certainly have the box for free.
Because that is about $250,000 in Australian dollars.
In Australian dollars, yeah, it'd be a bit over $250,000. These will retail at let me start that in English. They will retail at $1,800 a kilo over spot.
$1,800 a kilo over spot.
Yeah,
Okay.
Australian dollars.
Australian dollars. Yep. Okay.
Over
Cool.
spot.
Fantastic. Why? Let's give them the quick burst. We've been talking about platinum previously, but I'm always referring them to the other video that we did. Why platinum now?
Why platinum now? Platinum is, for every argument you've got for silver, platinum carries it even more. So it's in an industrial sense. So platinum is difficult to mine. It's difficult to refine. It's a pain to cast into whatever you're casting into. So a few years ago, there was a glut of platinum onto the market for various reasons. And a lot of the catalytic converters at that point moved over to palladium. So there was a large supply of platinum on the market, and it drove the price down. So where historically it's been kind of that 1-to-1 ratio with gold, it dropped down to about half the price of gold. Mm-hmm. Now, as that oversupply has been pulled out of the market, and it did take a number of years, but as that oversupply has been pulled out of the market, the people who use it, so a lot of the new technology, so your solar cells, your electric vehicles, a lot of the space program type stuff, anything that requires that platinum, palladium or rhodium type material is favouring platinum at the moment because of how cheap it is. It's pulled the oversupply out. They're going back to the industry saying we want more. The industry saying there's no way we can afford to produce platinum at this price. You're going to have to pay more for it, and you'll actually see that the price of platinum is starting to increase now. And I was only having this conversation with someone this morning where we talked about, I'm guessing about 2 months ago about it, and it was kind of that $1,350, $1,400 an ounce Australian. It's now almost $1,600 an ounce Australian, and it's certainly tracking upwards. But don't believe what I've said. Again, it's the old don't ask the hairdresser if you need a haircut. Obviously, I'm a bullion dealer. I'm trying to sell it. Do some of your own research. Google's your friend here. So have a look at some of the charts and some of the information that's getting around.
Now, we don't just have platinum in the 1 kilo size, because that's pretty pricey. We're talking about $50,000 roughly per bar at the moment, so not everyone's going to have that, but we have it in other sizes as well, don't we?
We do. We have it all the way down to, actually I've got to say it's a little limited at the moment. We do have it in 1 ounce coins as well. Okay. We had a burst of stuff a few weeks ago where we had 10 ounce bars and platinum bars and all that. I think we've still got some 1 ounce bars in. Okay. So we've got look on the website, it'll have them listed on there. But yes, you can buy it down into a 1 ounce size. Obviously, you're going to pay more for it in a per ounce basis if you buy a 1 ounce than if you buy a kilo bar. Same as anything else.
Same as anything else. And I'll actually put a link above right now to the Does Size Matter video, the How to Invest in Gold series, because talking about the differences between sizes and pros and cons and whatnot.
Yeah.
Okay, if you're in the hankering for a chunky kilo of platinum and you've got the spare dosh, we could highly... Oh, jeez.
There'll be a shop sold one at this rate.
That's the scratch and dead. Beautiful Pamp Lady Fortuna Platinum bar. Look, it's so shiny. You can see the camera in the reflection. Look at the beautiful Lady Fortuna right there. Head over to bullionnow.com.au. At least a few of these will be up on the website, of course. And like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.